Hi guys, it's Connor again, Dyson sales expert in Dundee, and today I'm going to be showing you one special feature on the Dyson Link app through using Dyson Pure Cool Desk. This is your Dyson Link app homepage, showing you many features like the current air temperature, the humidity, and any particles existing in the current environment. But on this session, I'll be showing you how to set timers. So from Monday to Saturday, I have a timer set from 10 till 9. This is great for the nighttime mode. And on a Sunday, I've got it running until 10:30 for a lie-in. You click the top right hand corner to set these timers. So to show you, for example, I'll click evening, and you can change the time by toggling through a list of hours. So for this, I'll set 3 o'clock, make it till 8. And you can choose which day you want, Thursday and Friday, and you can also select settings. So you have oscillation features, you have auto mode, you can change the airflow speed, so you can dictate and customize to your preference. You can also change the direction of the airflow, either coming from the front or the back of the machine, and a nighttime option. Once you've finished customizing, you can hit add event, and then that is you sorted for the week with pure airflow.